The number one food for a healthy heart is not fish oil, it's not protein shakes, and it's definitely not expensive supplements. What I'm about to share is proven to lower cholesterol, reduce blood pressure, and protect your arteries, all with one simple daily habit. This food is rich in soluble fiber, which scrubs bad cholesterol from your blood like a sponge, keeps your blood sugar stable, and even fuels good gut bacteria that support overall health. And the best part? It's cheap, filling, and probably in your pantry right now. The food I'm talking about is oats. A single bowl of oats a day can do more for your heart than most supplements on the shelf.